अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पाकिस्तान एब्रोड वाशिंगटन स्टूडियो से मैं हूँ राशिद खान। आज की अहम खबरें। आज जनूबी एशिया के असिस्टेंट सेक्रेटरी ऑफ स्टेट डोनल्ड कमेटी के सामने पेश हो गए। उन्होंने कहा कि अमेरिका की जानिब से इंतखाबी अमल में मुदाखलत के इल्ज़ाम पर तशवीश का इजहार किया गया। बानी पीटीआई को हटाने में उनका कोई किरदार नहीं था। इस इल्ज़ाम की सख्ती से तरदीद करता हूँ। डोनल्ड ने कहा कि ये इल्ज़ाम गलत है कि अमेरिका या मैंने पीटीआई हुकूमत के खिलाफ इक़दाम किया। मीटिंग में शामिल सफ़ीर ने पाकिस्तान की हुकूमत को बताया कि कोई साजिश नहीं हुई। पाकिस्तान की खुद मुख्तारी का एहतराम करते हैं। साइफर से मुतालिक मीडिया रिपोर्ट और इल्ज़ामात बेबुनियाद हैं। मुलाज़ा कीजिए एक रिपोर्ट।
These should be fully investigated and adjudicated.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what this does to the relationship between the United States and Pakistan if they are not investigated, if they are not adjudicated, if they do not decide to rerun their elections.
We have enjoyed 76 years of partnership with this country. It will be an impediment to our relationship if Pakistan does not have a democratic process that upholds its own constitution. It will retard our ability to have the type of relationship we want in security matters, on business fronts, and people to people. All of that suffers if Pakistan is not a full democracy.
Recently, I marked up in the Committee of Homeland Security a bill that will soon go to the full committee in the Homeland Committee on transnational repression. Is the State Department monitoring reports of transnational repression made by Pakistani Americans? And if so, what steps is the State Department taking to address these topics?
Sir, we are tracking transnational repression around the world, including with respect to allegations made about Pakistan. We are looking very closely at the examples offered. If we find that they are substantiated, we will address them directly with Pakistan.
Discussions on this very important issue. So I very much appreciate the ability to wave on today, and obviously have some concerns about what has happened in the past.